Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a proxy for Android devices step by step, so you can easily use it while browsing the internet. Let's get started. Open Settings on your Android device. Next, select Connections. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and that you are connected to your network. Open Wi-Fi and click on the gear next to your connected network. Now you need to go to the Advanced section. As you can see, the proxy is not used. Select Manual in the Proxy section. Now you'll see fields for setting up a proxy. Enter the proxy IP in the proxy hostname field and the proxy port in the proxy port field. If you have a free proxy, you can save the changes and start using it right away. If you have a dedicated proxy, enter the username and password in the fields below. Once everything is entered, click on Save. And there you have it! The proxy is now set and you can start using it while working on a network from your Android device. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.